Now let's first tackle the steps in creating a sustainable and working community. Step number 1, locate a place where it is safe and near sea or water sources. Step number 2, utilize the sea or river. Create a pipe or dam and use the water for water source. And also build a company with machines for water treatment so that the water that will be distributed to the community is clear. Step number 3, cut trees, build houses, but don't cut all the trees because trees is important. Step number 4, make or install a pathway that is capable to any type of vehicle and other transportation. And also all part of the community should have pathways or it is connected to each other. Step number 5, make a center of the community where hospital, police offices, company, and etc. will be there. And also make it convenient to all citizens. So put it in the center of the community. Step 6, food sources. Allocate a land where farmers can plant and it could be the food sources for the community. Next is the sea life. Let's make sure that there is citizens or there is a life in sea so they can ensure the maintenance of the sea part and also to have also the food source of sea foods. Step number 8, different religions temple. Let's create a temple for every religions and locate it to the center, and let's not make one religion dominant to the others. Step 9, create a barangay hall in every barangay or residential area. So there would be a leader or there will be someone who will organize the residential area or that particular area. Step number 10 is install a convenience store for the people for additional income and also for less hassle. Step 11 is put a vulnerable support center for child care, old care, and mental health counseling. Step number 12 is allocate an area for recreational area for the people to have an open area to have their time with their family and friends. Step number 13 is businesses. Allow people to use their business minded and for economic growth also. And step 14 is the drainage. This is very important to maintain the cleanliness of the community and for also the healthy living for the people. Step number 15 is install solar panels and wind turbines to have an electricity, and let's make it free. Step number 16 is allocate a land for airport for the transportation to other countries. And step number 17 is gasoline. Let's install a gasoline and let's make it free. Step number 18 is have the non-governmental organization for youth and for citizens participation and for overall welfare of the community. Step 19 is to install also a bomba or a water well for another water source. And step 20 is make sure that electricity and water is accessible to all houses. And lastly is step 21, government. Let's make this community democracy for the people to have their freedom of expression and their own rights. And after discussing the steps in creating a sustainable and working community, this is the overall map of the said community. And this is the blueprint. The blue one is water, the red is electricity, and the yellow one is for drainage. And as you can see at the bottom, we can see the drainage and or the waste area so that the community will will maintain their cleanliness. And that's it. Thank you for listening. I am again Natasha Nicole Rosales from SIA CE1C, and that is my community.